Uniting voices, understanding, speak with one voice. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across: speak with one voice. This expression is a powerful way to convey unity and agreement, but what does it really mean? And how can you use it in your daily English conversations? Let's explore together. When we say that a group of people speak with one voice, we're not talking about a choir singing in unison. Instead, this metaphorical phrase means that all members of the group are in agreement and express the same opinions or beliefs. It's a sign of unity and consensus, showing that despite any potential differences, there is a common stance or position being presented to the outside world. To understand how speak with one voice is used, let's look at some examples. In politics, when members of a political party speak with one voice, they are showing a unified front on a particular issue, policy, or during negotiations, indicating that they all support the same outcome. In business, a company may speak with one voice when announcing a new policy or strategy, meaning that all key figures in the company agree with and support the decision. In social movements, activists and groups involved in social movements strive to speak with one voice, to clearly communicate their demands and goals to the public and authorities. Unity is strength. When a group speaks with one voice, it amplifies their message, making it more likely to be heard and taken seriously. It shows that the group is organized and determined, which can be particularly persuasive in negotiations or when trying to influence public opinion. On a personal level, learning to speak with one voice with your team or family on important matters can lead to more effective communication and outcomes. You can use speak with one voice in both formal and informal settings to describe a situation where unity is present. It's especially useful in discussions about teamwork, leadership, and collective action. Here are a couple of sentences to help you get started. Our team needs to speak with one voice if we want to convince the board to approve our project. Despite their differences, the community came together to speak with one voice against the proposed changes. Understanding and using the phrase, speak with one voice, can significantly impact how you communicate about unity and agreement in English. It's a powerful expression that highlights the importance of consensus and collective action. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use and understand this phrase in your English learning journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.